With just a heat press and DTF transfers, you can start your own clothing brand. If you want to make t-shirts, sweatshirts like the one that I have on here today, you can definitely get this business started under $500. Let's talk about how to do it. Okay, so you can get this business started for under $500. All you're gonna need is your DTF prints, you're gonna need a heat press, and you're going to need blanks. So I'm gonna leave my links down below for my favorite blanks, heat presses, and where I got my DTF transfers. But I wanna show you how easy this is. So I created a design and sent it over to Transfer Ninjas. Now I'm gonna show you a few places on where you can find designs if you don't have your own ideas, and then right into making my sweatshirts. You can go to creativefabrica.com. They literally have all the options that you would ever need to create a graphic tee. They have tons of cool things that you can choose from to make modern t-shirts. You can sign up for all access for $4.99 a month, and that allows you to get access to all of these different t-shirt designs. You can take them over to Canva and edit them for free. So this is a way to get designs if you don't exactly know where you want to get your t-shirt designs from. They even have bundles that you can choose from, so it is amazing to a resource for design. So here are my transfers. These are all 12 by 17s, which is the largest size they offer, and they're $14 a piece unless you order 5 or more. Then they get cheaper as you order more, but these are bomb. I wanted to make like full print all over sweatshirts so you guys can see like how awesome this is. So let's just get into cutting these out off the roll that they came on and start heat pressing them. That's literally all you have to do, and it's super easy. So these are my favorite blanks. These are the Hanes Eco Smart, and I'll have this link down below. And literally all I have to do is add my transfer on. The directions say to heat at 310 for 15 seconds. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my Cricut press ready for those settings, and then we're gonna press it and see how this turns out. So I added my tape here, and now I'm gonna go ahead and add this to the heat press and press in sections because it's a little bigger than the press itself. They also provided a piece of parchment paper, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply that on top and then set my press down for 15 seconds on 310 degrees. Now we're gonna let this cool and peel off our design. Now let's peel it. Oh my God. These DTF transfers are literally it. Look at how amazing that looks on the sweatshirt. Literally 310, 15 seconds, and you have an amazing sweatshirt that with this big of a transfer, you could literally sell this for $80 to $100 and people would buy it with no problem. I also wanted to test how these DTF transfers will look on black. So this is the black beefy t-shirt by Hanes. I love these. They have the thick necklines, thick arms and fabric, so these are good, and I'll link it down below so you can find these as well. So let's press this on the black t-shirt to see if it works just as amazing as it does on the white. And just like that, we need to let it cool for 15 seconds, and then we're going to peel and see if this looks just as great as the white does with these DTF transfers. This t-shirt came out so good. It looks amazing against the black, and guys, I would 100% recommend these DTF transfers from the company Transfer Ninja. I'm going to link them down below. This is not sponsored. Look at the material. They look amazing. Okay guys, so you've seen how easy it was to make this DTF print sweatshirt. This is bomb. I love this sweatshirt. I've actually washed it already, so it's wash approved. So I definitely would jump on DTF transfers to start your own clothing line. I think it's a perfect way to get started inexpensively before you invest in more equipment. Now, my favorite heat presses, also the place that I got my transfers from, and my favorite blanks will be linked down below so you guys don't have to do the guessing game and you can just get started. I hope this video helped. I think this is a great way to get started in like a t-shirt business, a sweatshirt business, and not invest a ton of money before you know it's the thing that you want. You can try out different designs and it's not going to cost you as much as if you go all in and buy the Cricut, buy this, buy that, while just getting started with the heat press. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.